Alright, so like I've explained before, a set is a well-defined collection of objects or things. The objects in a set are called elements or members of the set, and will be illustrated with this example. Alright, so in this video, we're going to look at the types of sets. So basically, we'll be looking at 10 types of sets there. We'll have empty set, singleton set, finite sets, infinite sets, equal sets, equivalent sets, subset, tupper set, universal set, and disjoint sets. These are the 10 types of sets that we'll be looking at. Again, we have empty set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, equal set, equivalent set, subset, tupper set, universal set, and lastly, disjoint sets. So all these are very important. I'll be looking at the meaning of these types of sets. Right? So the first one that we'll have here is the empty set. It's very important. I should know that empty set is also called a null set. It's also called null set, a null set. So what is an empty set? An empty set is a set that contains no elements. It is a set that contains no element, and it is denoted by this symbol. So if you have a symbol like this means it's an empty set. Or you have the coordinate bracket with no element inside. This is also an empty set. So this is an empty set. This is also an empty set. An empty set is a set that contains no element. So you can see that this set contains no element. Alright? If he says set A is equal to this, it means that set A is an empty set. It means that set A contains no element. If he says set A is equal to this coordinate bracket with nothing inside, it means that what? Set A is an empty set. Right? So again, an empty set is a set that contains no elements. Then let's look at what a singleton set is. A singleton set is a set containing exactly one element. So when he says set A is equal to 7, this is an example of a singleton set because it contains one element, which is what, 7. Alright? So if he says set B is equal to a set of that contains the element C. This is what is singleton set because it contains one element C. Alright? So again, a singleton set in a set containing exactly one element. Very important. Alright? Then let's look at a finite set. Finite set. So a finite set is a set that has limited or countable number of elements. A finite set is a set that has limited or countable number of elements. For example, set A is equal to a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright? So you can see that the elements here can be counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 elements here. So the number of elements in set E is equal to what? 7. In case you're asked to find the number of elements in set E. So the number of elements in set E is equal to what? 7. It means that set A contains what? 7 elements or members. But if, for instance, I have set B to be equal to containing a set of 2, 4, 6, and 8. Alright, this is set B. Therefore, the number of elements in set B is what? This is an example of a finite set because you can count the members. 1, 2, 3, go. So therefore, the number of elements in set B, the number of elements in set B is equal to 4. Alright, so this is very important. You should know this. Again, a finite set is a set that has a limited or countable number of elements.